Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Corsair iCUE for RGB sync with games, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the iCUE software on your computer. Ensure that your Corsair RGB enabled devices are connected and recognized by the software. Select the device you want to configure from the list on the left side of the iCUE interface. Click on the Lighting Effects tab for the selected device. Choose static color from the options provided to start with a basic RGB setting. Select your desired color using the color wheel or the predefined color palette. Click on Save to apply the static color to your device. To create dynamic effects, select Lighting Effects from the same tab again. Choose an effect from the drop-down list, such as Rainbow Wave, Ripple, or Visor. Customize the effect settings to match your preferences. Next, navigate to the Settings tab at the bottom. Ensure that game integration is enabled to allow the iCUE software to sync with your games. Now, go to the Profiles section on the left. Create a new profile specifically for your game by clicking the plus button. Name the profile according to the game you will be playing. With the new profile selected, click on the Lighting Effects tab again. Repeat the steps to customize the lighting effects you want specifically for this game. To enable synchronization, find the link option and select the games you wish to sync with the RGB effects. Click Apply to save the synchronization settings for your game profile. Run your game to test if the RGB sync is working as intended. Adjust the iCUE settings if necessary to fine-tune your RGB experience. Enjoy the enhanced gaming atmosphere with your customized Corsair RGB sync. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.